welcome to Preloved Chica. Now, I had a business idea, which was to kind of curate some pre-loved things and put them into a mystery box. But I didn't ever get around to doing that. But what I did do was I ordered a couple of things just to see what would be inside one of these mystery boxes that you can get on Etsy. And I literally ordered these about 4 months ago, so I've got no idea what's in these. But let's have a look. And as I'm opening them up, maybe we can talk about whether this is possible, whether this might be something you would like. You would like a box to open. So this first one here comes, I think it came from Canada, you know. Yeah, it came from Canada. And lovely yours, Canada there. So I'm going to break into it now. It's an art box, apparently. An art box. So let me just try and get in here. I'm probably going to have to use scissors here to break into it. Hope I don't damage any of the contents. It is quite exciting opening a box, isn't it? You know, let's just see. Okay, so here we go. Put that there. And inside the box, what's inside the box? Oh my gosh. Some beautiful, beautiful little booklets. Be kind, you belong here. Breathe. These are so sweet, these little things, aren't they? Never give up. Wow, like that. Love the idea of that. You are loved. Excellent. And there's all kinds of different cards. They're obviously being made from other things. You're worthy. Lots of motivational messages. Elaine, thank you so much for your order. You are my first buyer for this subscription. I appreciate the support. Michelle. So that is really interesting, isn't it? Michelle and her art box. I can't remember how much this was, but it's really nice having lovely little messages from somebody. Live simply. Oh, so there we go. That's the first one. Michelle from Canada, her first customer. And if I was going to do this, by the way, I would probably be finding beautiful jewellery like what I've got on here. I come across some gorgeous brooches. Obviously the size is an issue when it comes to pre-loved clothes, but I'm sure there's a way around it. But like I said, I did go a bit cold on this idea because the idea came to me about, I want to say, about 6 months ago. And life has just got in the way. So this one, I can't remember where this one came from, but imagine if it was you now, because I love your comments. If you were opening a box from me and it was either some pre-loved clothing, if I knew your size and your style, but the thing is, if it was something like a scarf or a hat or a beret, so for example, it wouldn't matter about the size, and jewellery doesn't matter about the size. I'm making a pig's ear of this, aren't I, opening this up? Woo! Anyway, so there we go, inside this box. Very, very curious. There's a box. Inside this box, there is a box. There's a box inside the box. Oh my goodness. So let's have a look. So, let's take a look. So this here is an inspiration and motivation box. An inspiration and motivation box. We love that. And who's it from? I don't know. It's from Boo Box. Boo Box. So let's put that there. I love all of these. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. You can see it. There it is. You can see that. Boo, boo, boo box. A gift as unique as you. Not just a gift, but an experience. A box filled with lovely things for lovely people. Okay, for lovely people. So, without further ado, it's almost a shame to open this, isn't it? Because it's so nicely packaged, but I'm going to have to because I want to show you what's in there. I'm going to recycle this. I'm going to use it again. So, Oh, how gorgeous is that? How very gorgeous is that? All colours of the rainbow. Enjoy. Well, I'm going to say top marks for how this is being packaged. Top marks. Wow, it's so heavy. It's full of beautiful things, I'm sure. So let's open this up and take a look. I love all the labels. It's so attractively done. Ooh, there's something that's slipped away there. So there's a little bit of hand cream, Pink Fizz hand cream. We've got some stickers, so these will go in my journal. Good things take time, so I love a sticker. And look at this beautiful paper. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. This, I think, is a mug. Feels like a mug. So I don't want to spoil all the wrapping here, you know. Now, maybe if I was doing this, I could get pre-loved mugs for you all. Be happy. That is such a sweet thing. So the question is, would you want to receive a pre-loved mystery box from me? Some teas, relax, peace, beautiful teas. I hope they're still going to be okay. This is like 5 months ago I ordered this. Another little thing. What's this? Oh, a little bee brooch or bee necklace. Be happy. Oh, bees. Love bees. Very significant to me, bees are. Okay, a little pencil case, or maybe a makeup case. What am I doing? Sorry, I got a bit carried away there. Be you. Right, I'm making notes all the time when I go out and about, so that could be quite useful. Any ideas that occur to me? Another thing, this feels like maybe a candle. Is it? Yeah, it's a lavender sleep candle. And I'm going to be writing a blog post about candles because I think they make lovely gifts for people, particularly people who've lost somebody. There's something really special about burning a candle. And this one here is one of those ones that crackle. I don't know if you've ever had a crackle candle. It sounds like you're in front of a fire. That's great. And there's more. My goodness gracious me. Oh, God, no, goodness. Chocolate tickle. I hope this is still in date. Oh, yeah, 17th of May. On the back it says that. So I think I'm going to have a cup of coffee with this in a minute. Gorgeous, gorgeousness. And finally, one more thing. What a lot of amazing gifts were in this box. Oh my gosh, sparkle. It's got a bit of sparkle. It has got a bit of sparkle. And it says moon on the front of it. And it says, be beautiful and sparkle. So when I make my coffee, I am going to put that cup of coffee on here. So this is Boo Box. It was really great fun opening it. So the test is for me to ask you whether you might be prepared to receive something like this from me. Oh, look at this. I mean, this person has obviously got me down to a T, all the sparkles. So I'm going to say thanks so much for watching Preloved Chica. Till next time, and leave your comments below as to whether you would like to receive a box from me. Thanks very much. Preloved Chica, passion for fashion.